Okay,
Abrasive test, take 2.
okay. Sometimes you might have trouble with your machine, and it might not be cutting the way you want it to. And I'd say 95% of the time, it's going to be the abrasive isn't flowing the way it should be. And there is a way to test that, and it's on your main screen right here in Omax Make. There's a button over here that says test. So I'm going to left click on it. It gives you a warning and lets you know that sometimes whenever you press test that it actually will pump and it could hurt you. You have different options: abrasive, water, and abrasive. There's a pump only one, but I've never really used it. And in the water settings, if you want to test water, you have a high and low setting. You can turn it on either way. There's a timer, duration, 60 seconds. You can change that to whatever you want. If you just want it to be, let's say I just change it to 15 seconds. But it's important to be able to do 60 seconds because you might want to be able to measure your flow rate per minute. So if I go ahead and push start test, I'll come over here to the machine. So there's a hose for the abrasive. This is what the abrasive goes through. It connects into the back of the head. It just sticks in a hole. And then up under here, there is a mechanism that opens and closes. So I'm going to press start. And I'm sorry, I was on the wrong one. I need to be on abrasive. So there's the abrasive. It just gives you a timer on the screen for 15 seconds. Because that's what it says. And as you can see, that's flowing fine. So I'll put the hose back on. And there is another piece under here. If you wanted to pull the whole mechanism out, which if I do that, the abrasive is going to flow out. So it's flowing out of this hole. I can just kind of put my finger on it. And here's the mechanism for opening the abrasive. And I believe it's air powered. So this goes up into this piece goes up into your tank. And then down here, this little hole right here, that's where you'd actually stick your